just found the easiest Fiverr strategy that anybody can use to start earning over $5,000 every single month without any skills by using a new AI tool that's going to do all of the work for us. And this method is 100% free. You don't need any prior skills or knowledge, and we can set this up in under only 10 minutes from now. And all I ask of you before we get started is that you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to give you the exact steps that you can follow to make money on Fiverr with this incredibly profitable brand new strategy right this second. So let's get into it. So for the first step, you want to head over to fiverr.com and you simply want to sign up and create your Fiverr account. Once you've done that, you will be taken to this dashboard right here, and you just want to make sure that you click onto where it says become a seller, enter in a few simple details so that you can set up your free Fiverr seller account. And as you may know, guys, there are a ton of different services that people are selling on Fiverr. Now, some of these services require a high level of skills, and typically the higher level of skill required, the more money that the seller makes. And I found a high-paying, high-demand service on Fiverr that we can provide that typically does require a high level of skill. That is until now. This new AI-driven platform has suddenly made it possible for us to start selling this service on Fiverr so we can make a ton of money without any skills whatsoever. We're going to be doing that by selling these food product labels. These are simply customized branded labels that you typically see on packaged items such as food items, bottles, condiments, and so on. Now, this probably isn't what you think of when it comes to making money on Fiverr, and for good reason. How is the average person without any design skills whatsoever going to create these food product labels to as high of a quality as the advanced designers that are selling these services on Fiverr? Well, with this new AI tool, which I'm going to reveal to you in the next few steps, we're able to create them to a really high quality, just like these ones on Fiverr, and even better in my opinion. And we're going to be able to deliver this service a lot quicker, allowing us to command a higher price for our services on Fiverr. Now, before I show you exactly how to do that using this new AI tool, I first want to show you just how much demand there is for this service. So as you can see right here on Fiverr, there is just over 3,900 search results for people who are actually providing this food product label design service, and the demand far outweighs this supply, which again makes sense. Obviously, there are more customers than there are advanced graphic designers, and I want to illustrate that by showing you this Pinterest board right here. They're getting over 10 million monthly views with over 88,000 followers, and they're promoting these different product label services that they're selling, such as food product labels, cosmetics, and so on, which we can do. Now, this particular Pinterest board isn't selling these services on Fiverr. They've actually got their own website, and if we click onto any one of these Pinterest pins, we're taken over to that website. But if you look at this Pinterest board right here, for example, they've only got 338 followers, but they're getting over 500,000 views to their Pinterest board every single month. And as you can see, guys, again, they're promoting these different product label services that they're selling, and they're doing so on Fiverr. If I hover over any one of these Pinterest pins for these different product labels that they're promoting on Pinterest, it's all fiverr.com. And if I click onto any one of these pins, I'm taken directly to their listing on Fiverr. And as you can see, guys, here is a product label service that they're selling on Fiverr for over $70 for the premium package, which includes the design, the mock-up, and the source file, which we can easily do with this new AI tool, which I'm going to be showing you in the next few steps. And as you can see, guys, for this particular service, they've currently got over 3 orders in the queue. And to provide this service, it typically takes around 3 days to deliver, which is pretty typical, guys. These are advanced design jobs. And if I look at another listing right here, they've got over 8 orders in the queue, and they take 2 days to deliver. This is another product label service right here. Here is another one, guys. Only 2 orders in the queue with over 5 days delivery. Now, with this new AI tool, which I'm just about to reveal to you, we're going to be able to create designs just like these, and even much better, to a much higher quality in my opinion. And also, we're going to be able to deliver these designs in much faster time. I'm talking under 1 day, allowing us to command a much higher price on Fiverr. And the name of that incredible design AI-driven tool is Kittl, and I'll leave a link in the description box below. And once you click onto that link, you will be taken to a screen like this. And all you want to do, guys, is click onto where it says says try Kittl for free, enter in a few simple details so you can sign up and create your free Kittl account. So once you're signed up and you are logged into Kittl, you'll be taken to this homepage, and there are a ton of ways that we can start making money with this incredible AI-driven platform. If I click onto where it says tools right here, there are a ton of different AI tools that we can start making money with. For example, they've got this newly updated AI image generator. If I click onto it, I'll be taken to a page like this, and we can literally type in any text that we want, click onto where it says generate image to generate any image that we tell it to in a wide range of different styles. I've actually created a video on how to make money with this AI image generator, and I'll link to it at the end of this video. And they've also got this AI logo generator where in a similar fashion, we can simply type in a few words, click onto where it says create your logo, and it will generate any logo that you prompt it to create. But for the sake of this video, guys, to start making money on Fiverr with those product label services, let's head back over to the homepage, and you want to click onto where it says labels right here. And you'll then see a huge selection of all of these professionally designed, really high quality product labels, which we can easily edit and customize to start making money with on Fiverr. And they cover a wide range of different categories as well. We got everything from beverages product labels to chocolate, coffee, cosmetics, groceries, other goods as well. And with the amount of these different product label templates on Kittl, we can list an endless amount of these on Fiverr, but I wouldn't recommend it when first starting out, guys. You do want to take things a little bit slowly. Obviously, the more listings that we have on Fiverr, the more customers that we can get, which is a good problem to have. But when you first start out, you want to make sure that you're not being overwhelmed by the amount of customers that you get. You want to make sure that in the medium term that you do aim to be rated as a top rated seller to maximize the amount of customers that you can get. And a factor of that is you want to make sure that you're not rushing, that you're providing a good service, and you want to make sure that you're not keeping a large number of customers in the queue, as we saw earlier. Now, something you'll notice about these different product label services on Fiverr is they're all listed on top of these different mockups. And for those of you who don't know what a mockup is, it is literally a generated photo of the product label appearing on top of the physical product, such as this yogurt container right here, this supplement container right here, and so on. And we're able to easily generate those mockup images within Kittl itself as well. So let's head back over to Kittl and let's select one of these product label templates and see how we can easily edit and customize it as per our future Fiverr customers' requests. And I'm going to show you guys how we can place that product label template on top of a mockup so it's ready to list on Fiverr. Now, as you know, guys, there is a wide selection of these different product label templates. Now, for the sake of this video, I'm going to draw some inspiration, and you can do that by going back over to Fiverr and taking a look at these other product label template mockup photos, or you can go back over to Pinterest. For example, here is that Pinterest profile that we saw earlier with all of these different product label mockups that they're selling on Fiverr. They are absolutely crushing it. What I've actually found on Fiverr for some inspiration is this product label for these coffee bags. These look absolutely incredible. They provided a few different mockups for these different designs. There are 2 orders in the queue, got some really good ratings, which tells me these are in high demand. So let's head back over to Kittl and let's click onto where it says coffee and cacao. And here we have a bunch of these different coffee product label templates, which we can easily edit and customize to start selling on Fiverr. Let's scroll down a little bit further. I really like this one. Let's see what else they have. Let's say that we're going to go with this one for the sake of this video. I'm simply going to click onto it. I'm then going to click onto where it says use this design. And you'll then be taken to this editing canvas, and we can customize this product label design in an endless amount of different ways. So let's say, for example, that we wanted to edit this brand name right here on the right hand side here under text settings. I can simply select another font type such as this one right here. I can move it around. I can transform the text. I can select a wide range of different text effects. I'm just going to hit Control and Z since I really like this original font type for our Fiverr listing. And you can replace any of this text simply by clicking onto it. Here it says Austin, Texas. Let's make it say Dallas, Texas, for example. You can change any of these element colors. If I click onto this element over here as such, you can see on the right hand side here the different options to change that color. And if you click onto this on the left-hand side for where it says elements, you can type in anything into this search bar. Let's say, for example, coffee. You can then drag any one of these elements onto your product label design. And conversely, you can also delete any of the elements contained in your design. If I click onto this one as such and hit delete, you can see I've done just that. Now, one way that I think we can really get ahead, what I've noticed with a lot of the different competition over on Fiverr is that they don't provide a logo as part of their design. And that's something that we can easily provide over on Kittl. With the amount of different elements and text effects, it's very easy to create that logo. And we know that Kittl also has that AI logo designer. If I click onto this symbol right here, I can click onto where it says logo generator, and by simply typing in a line of text, I can generate that logo. So once you're happy with your product label design, the next step is to get it onto a mockup so we can list it on Fiverr. And with Kittl, it is super easy. In literally one click, I can simply click onto where it says mockup right here. And by default, our product label design will be placed onto a t-shirt, which is obviously the wrong mockup. So on the left-hand side here, I'm going to type something in such as packaging and hit enter. And I can select from a wide range of these different packaging mockups. This one does look good. Let me scroll down. I think this one looks even better for this coffee bag. So I'm literally going to click onto it as such. And I'm actually going to resize our product label design so it fits perfectly onto our mockup. This is already looking absolutely incredible. And I'm going to change the mockup color over here to make it a little bit darker so our product design stands out even more. And I can simply click onto where it says download mockup right here. And in literally 2 minutes, we now have this incredible customizable product label design, which we can list on Fiverr. And while they normally do take around 5+ days to deliver, we can fulfill that service a lot quicker. Now, with your first few listings, I do suggest first setting your price lower than the competition's until you start building up some solid ratings. And if you did want to charge more of a premium service alongside your listing, what you can do, guys, again, is you can provide a logo as part of your service to replace with this placeholder logo over here, for example. And to maximize the amount of money that we can make with this strategy, you simply want to rinse and repeat. You want to upload as many of these Fiverr listings as possible by utilizing these different product label design templates on Kittl. And to drive a ton of free traffic to your Fiverr listings, I strongly recommend utilizing Pinterest, exactly like this Fiverr seller is doing right here. They get over 500,000 views every single month. So I hope you got value from this video, guys. If you did, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell notification so that you get notified every single time that I release a new online money making video. Take care.